Hey guys, Dark Assassin X here with a review of these Batman belt buckles I ordered on eBay. They came from Hong Kong. Don't know if you can see that well. It's all in Hong Kong writing. But I paid $20 or $8.99 shipping and handling, or for shipping and handling each, and then they were $10 each, I think. So that's like 20. It's like $40 for both of these. In pretty nice condition. This one's stainless steel, I think. It's really nice. Good condition. This is very zoomed in. I don't know if there's any way I can zoom out or in or something. I don't know. But you've got this one. It's a matte black. It's pretty nice. And those are my new belt buckles that I got today. Pretty nice. Okay, see ya.